Hi everyone, welcome to Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Today we will show you how to change the duration or speed of a video clip in Camtasia. First, open Camtasia, then import your video, then drag it to the timeline. Now if you want to change the speed or the duration of your video, simply right click on the video and select the Add Clip Speed option. Now from the right corner, you can change the speed of your video. You can simply type the amount like that and it will change the speed of your video. You can see my video speed got reduced. You can also change the duration of the video from here. You can see my video is about only 3 seconds long. So if you want to change that, just go to the duration from here and change the timings. Now you can see my video duration is now 1 minute long. You can also edit this by dragging the clip speed effect from here and adjust it. That's it. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our Graphic Solution Tricks channel. Click the bell icon for more updates.